Hey guys, Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a gorgeous 2011 Harley Davidson Dyna Super Glide Custom. This bike is beautiful. It's got the 96-inch fuel-injected V-twin motor with a 6-speed transmission. It's got a beautiful vivid black paint job with this silver pinstripe. Upgraded Vance & Hines staggered exhaust pipes. Gives this bike a real nice sound. It's also got a quick release passenger backrest. Good tire on the rear with a lot of tread. A lot of nice chrome on this bike, chrome bell cover. It's in very good condition, very well kept bike. This one's got the underhung front turn signals. Pull back handlebars, real comfortable seating position. Got a pretty decent tire on the front as well. I think that's a 19-inch. It's a 19-inch chrome spoked wheel. Single brake rotor setup. Really shows off the wheel. Also got a Harley Davidson leather tank bib. Kind of dresses up the bike a little bit and it offers a little extra paint protection. This 2011's got 3,011 miles. Low miles. This thing's been pampered. Go ahead and start it up for you guys. One of our certified pre-owned bikes. Do a multi-point inspection on it. That's performed by our service department. 15-mile test ride to make sure everything's working properly. And then we give it a professional detail. They did a real good job on this bike. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll-free at 888-400-1151. Or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. It'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.